Harlem is full of surprises. Community gardens with ponds, beautiful big wide streets, great architecture. But the real surprises lie behind the doors of these historic brownstones. I'm Brian Lewis, and today I'm going to show you 123 West 132nd Street, and I know it's going to take your breath away. When you walk into a home from 1910 that's been totally reinvented, you're looking for signs of detail. Now, these owners did something very smart. They left the classic DNA of this home where they could, and then they brought a 21st century relevance that will last a lifetime. The challenges when you're redoing a townhouse are what to keep and what to go. So you want to maintain some of the history to keep that DNA, but you also want to bring a new energy to it. And this home right here did something very special because they moved the kitchen right to the middle of the townhouse, capitalizing on the southern light from the dining area and the big garden views from the upstairs living room. Marble countertops, dining bar, top-end fixtures, trophy appliances, gorgeous walnut cabinets. This becomes the centerpiece of this floor, and every detail is exactly the way it should be. The dining area is a perfect place to show you the details they left. These are original from 1910. This molding came with the house back in the early part of the 20th century. All that southern light on the tree line that just spills into the rest of the parlor. So many townhouses are challenged by those dark, small rooms. Not this one. They blew out the parlor floor. And what you have is a downtown, uptown loft. And they took out the entire back wall and replaced it with a wall of glass. Who needs a house in the country when you have this? You've got your deck, you've got your barbecue, you're overlooking your own private backyard. This is just one living room though. Downstairs is living room number 2. Yes, a second living room. You've got a wood-burning fireplace, a wet bar, a workstation, and more floor-to-ceiling walls of glass that open up onto that private garden. Now this is the payoff in a townhouse. Your own private backyard in the middle of the city. Big sky, evergreen tree, watering system, lighting system. Now I'm going to take you up to an entire floor that is dedicated to the primary bedroom. Now this is a primary suite. What an amazing retreat. Pin drop quiet with views of your own private garden and that gorgeous evergreen tree, a decorative fireplace, but there's more to it than just this bedroom. Here you get an entire floor with a pass-through closet, beautifully designed, a pass-through marble bath with its own water closet, dual sinks, huge step-in shower. And then you end up in your own private office on the tree line, a floor through, cross breezes. Oh, this is special. It has been an absolute pleasure showing you around this Harlem secret, an historical townhouse that's been completely redesigned and reimagined for the 21st century. I'll see you at the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.